Welcome to PFTV bafethu ngiphethe Mr Mlambo. Mr Mlambo wena kanjani namhlanje?
Ndanga like yazi angisazi nokuthi ngithini. Mabhakani yajabulile sonke sijabulile mfethu the team is winning. You understand overall the game ndanga la message mean. Mesofika istem mara what I'm happy with the team won mfethu. As much as it's Lioli, yabona when you start getting wins like it becomes a culture. Even if normal you playing difficult games like Siwelele, it was difficult, but we're able to get the points. So overall, I came with message mean.
Message mean intanga. And then free kick laga when you scored the free kick Muremi, free kick laga Muremi, wow, what a beautiful technique.
Ndanga overall ngaphandle kwe free kick nje Muremi is enjoying his football. You understand? And what I like about the boy is humble. You see, he wants to score, he wants to play for the team. Danga, beautiful free kick, beautiful play, beautiful goal, beautiful everything. Danga, mina ngijabulile for Muremi. Keep on going, Muremi.
You think he must be entrusted with that responsibility of a free kick when he's on the pitch? Because I don't think this season, have you had a free kick scored like this season?
No, I don't remember. But mina what I need is not like specifically Muremi. My wings, ama wingers wami wonke, midfielders wami laba baphambili. I expect them to ukuthi bashama free kick, bashama corners, including aborile, abotito. Shouldn't be always siyazi uhoto kumela shaya. We need them. It's about police. They have ability to do it. Yangithola. So if you can have maybe more of midfielders doing that, I think soba nama free kick apaya swakora.
And then Ndanga, you told me about Umasindi even before we saw him on the spotlight. In fact, I think he's slowly coming out of his shell. Thoughts on Umasindi today?
Thoughts on Umasindi. I think before we didn't see him because akadlalanga isikhathi esibhaye. That's when we saw him adlala 45 minutes. Ndanga Masindi mfethu kasi flavor mfethu. This is what we need in Orlando Pirates. Uphethu Tito, uphethu Masterchef. Mfethu bonile lapha yami kuyenzakalani. Lioli was tired as hell because of these boys. I'm happy for Masindi. I think the guy is doing well and the guy is confident. Ndanga faneka lokho aqhubeka. Mari awuthasekasi le ngiyathemba ukuthi lento level uyihalele ndusazoyenza.
And then you also saw Undaba coming in for Tienoto. Nice performance from Undaba. Thoughts on this performance?
Thoughts on Undaba. It was clean today. Today udlale full game. That boy is good Ndang. That boy is good. In terms of uyabona ukuthi I left back position yakhe. Uyangithola if Undaba is getting chances like this and even noma ngadlala I think I want you to notice that he's always happy. Umbheke makuloko umapha lapho umbheke makudlala nabo Sundowns uyasmile. You get it. This boy is happy to play for Orlando Pirates. Masekedlala mfethu uyadlala kahle because inhliziyo yakhe imhlophe ivulekile. Uyangithola overall igame yanamhlanje mfethu I can't fault him. Ngathi sengamrate already but here we not rating. The boy plays so well.
No, there you have it, Mapagania. Bopa.
Bopa.